Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to transfer USDT from one account to another on Binance in 2025. USDT, or Tether, is one of the most popular stablecoins, and knowing how to move it securely can save you time and hassle. Whether you're sending it to a friend, another exchange, or even your own wallet, this step-by-step guide will have you covered. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Binance account. If you haven't already, head to the Binance website or open the app and enter your credentials. Security is key, so double-check that two-factor authentication is enabled. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallet section. This is usually found in the main menu. Look for the icon that looks like a wallet or a dollar sign. Here, you'll see all your assets, including USDT. Click on USDT to select it. Now, look for the Transfer or Withdraw option. In 2025, Binance has streamlined this process, so you might see a dedicated internal transfer feature if you're moving between your own accounts. Select that, and enter the recipient's details. If it's another Binance user, you can use their email or account ID for a quick internal transfer. For external wallets, you'll need the recipient's wallet address. Be extra careful to copy it correctly to avoid any mishaps. Next, specify the amount of USDT you want to transfer. Binance will show you the network fees, which are usually minimal for USDT transfers on networks like Tron or Ethereum. Review everything on the confirmation page, including the transaction details and fees, then hit Confirm. You'll get a verification code via email or SMS. Enter it to finalize the transfer. And just like that, your USDT is on its way. It should arrive almost instantly for internal transfers or within a few minutes for external ones. Always keep an eye on your transaction history to track it. There you have it, folks. That's how to transfer USDT on Binance in 2025. Remember, crypto is all about staying safe, so never share your private keys and always verify recipients. If you found this helpful, give it a like. Subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay crypto savvy, and I'll see you in the next video.